Lily TV, play together.
Hi friends, I'm Lily. Let's draw colorful flowers in easy way. First, we will draw the sky using three colors from oil pastel. I'm using cobalt blue, light blue, and sky blue. Then, flatten the oil pastel using a tissue. Then, draw the flower stem using deep green oil pastels. Don't forget to draw the clouds in the white oil pastel. Like and subscribe this video to get the latest video notification from Lily TV. After that, just draw the flowers. Choose bright and colorful colors. I'm with orange, combined chrome yellow, purple combined red purple, and olive brown combined red. Lastly, double the colors of the stem using grass green. And don't forget to draw grass between the stem using light green oil pastels. Done! This is beautiful!